Hello guys, welcome to the channel. This is my first video. Basically it's an introduction to the channel. Basically what the channel is going to be about is different projects that I do. You know, like what you're looking at here is current video. This current vehicle is the project that I'll be working on now. She's a 96 Ford F150. Great little truck. As you see, I've already put bigger wheels on it. Couldn't stand the stock size ones. But, as time goes on, you'll see more and more car projects. Hopefully in the future, I'm hoping to get into a little bit more. Hopefully get into some racing. And there's a few little odds and ends that I do. Like my backyard, I have a shed, which you guys will see at some point. As you see, pretty standard truck. I'll put an aftermarket stereo in it. Yeah. Aftermarket headliner. Full range of switches for lights in the front and rear. As well as in the back. 3 8-inch subwoofers. Some of the videos I've already shot, like when I replaced the engine in this thing, rebuilt the drivetrain. Those videos will be up following this. This is just the intro video to the channel, sorry. Like I said, I'm new to this whole YouTube world, and I'm hoping to learn and grow, and you know, maybe even be an inspiration for people trying to go out there and do this new for the first time for themselves. It takes a lot of courage and a lot of guts to be able to put yourself out there and find content that people might want to watch. I don't know if people will want to watch this or not, but I'm hoping. Throw it out there, give it a shot, and let people know that anyone can do it if they want to. You see, I put green lights in. That side's kind of a little bit of a problem. Old wiring. But like I said, HIDs. And I know I may not be the most glamorous of speakers. Look at that, hit one light back there. Got a light that protrudes from the back. In case I need to back up and there's no light, I have extra light. And then for the front here, there's 1, there's 2, there's 3. And convert from white to yellow. I'll show you in the front real quick. Then the order I turned them on was 1, 2, and 3. This one's half projector, half flood. This one's full flood, and this one's full projector. It does a decent amount, decent job of lighting everything up. And of course, the ones at the bottom of the projectors also go yellow for high beams. But like I said, as you see here, oh look, there we go. I'm new to the YouTube world, trying to put a little content out there. Hopefully people will enjoy it and get some ideas. I've got a roll bar here that will eventually be mounted. Right now it's held in with straps. Aftermarket rear light I put on a long time ago. Got plans to repaint the truck, attach these bars properly, redo these bars because someone just did them with bed liner, as you can see. Another quality of the video may not be the greatest, but like I said, first video, introduction to the channel. I'm going to learn as time goes on, and hopefully everyone will like it. See what happens. In case you're wondering, this truck's on a ambulance option chassis. That's why it's got that lift and the heavy duty springs in the rear. So all I did was put a 1-inch lift in the front by replacing the springs, and she's riding on the 32-inch tires. And those are all aluminum American racing rims. I'm sure some of this information will be repeated in the other videos, but like I said, I'm out here giving it a shot, hopefully be an inspiration to other people. And then anyone out there who's afraid or unsure if they want to do it, give it a shot. I'm doing it. Use my example. I watch a lot of YouTube channels out there. Got a lot of people that I watch who do something similar. Who's got a nice following. You know, they do it because it's fun. And they do it because people watch and people enjoy. And that's why I want to do it. I share my passion. And I know that there are people out there that would be interested in seeing it. This project's already been done, but you guys are going to see the video later on. This is the new 4.9 inline 6 I got from a racing manufacturer. There's nothing really special about it. The tolerance are tighter. It's got a little more torque, a little more power than the stock version, but nothing really major. She will spin the back tires, but the tire tolerance is, from the way it was described to me, is that, you know, this engine can have a lot more power put to it. I don't know if I'm going to do it to this truck, but I have a Ford 400M inside that I'm going to work on. I need to get a truck for it, and I've got some other ideas for some other projects, and even a couple of racing projects and 4x4 projects that I'd like to do. And you know, if I can do them, I want to share them with you guys. So thanks for coming to the channel. Thanks for giving me a chance. My friends gave me the nickname Wolf, so you guys can call me the same. And I hope you have a good rest of your day. Have a good time. Be safe out there. And be making more videos. I hope you guys enjoy. And hopefully I get better at this. Make better content for everyone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to be supportive. And yeah, I'm nervous about the whole thing, but thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for giving me a chance.